Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a GitLab personal access token. So a personal access token lets you securely connect GitLab with other applications, development tools, or automation workflows without using your account password. So the process here is very simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own token ready to use. So to get started, open up your web browser and go to the GitLab website and sign into your account. So once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. And from the menu that appears, select Edit Profile to open your account settings. And after that, find the section called Access Tokens and then click to open the page where GitLab lets you create and manage your personal access tokens. So in this page, scroll down until you find the Generate Token option. Click it, then choose so that you'll recognize what it's for later. Then add a short description if needed. So depending on your GitLab version, you may also be able to choose permissions or an expiration date. So once everything looks correct, click Generate Token. And then GitLab will create your personal access token and display it on the screen. So make sure to copy it and save it somewhere secure because for security reasons. Make sure to copy it and save it somewhere secure because for security reasons, you may not be able to view the full token again after leaving the page. And then you can now use this token whenever an application or service asks for GitLab authentication. So that is all there is to it. Creating a GitLab personal access token only takes a few minutes and helps you access GitLab securely while keeping your account password protected. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.